అదే వాడుకోమన్నాను మధ్యాహ్నం చదువుకుంటారు ఫోన్ చేసి కనుక్కుంటాను
హలో ఇప్పుడా అదే ఇప్పుడు కొంచెం క్లాస్ ఉంది పెడతా.
Program calculate. I am taking the program calculate from core Java. I am copying here. New and class calculate. Calculating the result. Calculating the result. This is calculating the result. First class, second class, and so on. No, right? Calculating the result. Right. One more is there. Validate roll number. Means whatever the branch you are entering, the roll number is matching with the branch or not. Roll number matching with the branch or not. So validate roll number. One class is there. Validate roll number. Validate roll number. Validate roll number. Validate roll number. Like this. 3 subclasses taken here. 3 subclasses taken. Got it right? Now one main class, that is dbcon is the main class. dbcon 8, database con 8 is the main class. This is the main class. But in the main class here, import java.util, import java.sql. Here. Try and catch exception e dot print stack trace. Scanner s is equal to new scanner of system dot in. Here s dot close. Anyway, so in between this we have to read the roll number first. Here, what is the question now? Read the roll number, read the name, read the branch, read the total marks and so on, or come, right? Okay, so first roll number here, there we are reading the name and so on. Here roll number first, reading the roll number first. So here system dot out dot println, enter the student roll number, enter the student roll number, string roll number is equal to s dot next line. So student roll number is alphanumeric, no? Combination of numbers and characters. So string. We have to check it, no? This roll number dot length must be equal to 10, no? Yes or no? Na? Else you must say. Because n number of conditions, okay, I'm writing that condition. If it is false, you can say system dot out dot println invalid roll number. Got it right? Once the roll number, if you entered correctly, because the tracing is based on roll number only. Students are traced with roll numbers, yes or no? names can be replicated. 2 Rajkumars can be there, 2 Ranjits can be there. So names can be replicated. Roll number cannot be replicated. No, then say your name. So when the roll number is validated, say your name to me. System.out.println, enter your name to me. So when the roll number is validated, enter the student name. Enter your name. Now string, 1 minute, font high is coming, I'll decrease it. Right. So string now. String sum student name is equal to s dot next line. So there is no validation for name. Okay, right. After that, enter your branch to me. So system dot out dot println, enter the branch. Now string branch is equal to s dot next line dot to uppercase. What is the meaning of uppercase? From core Java, reading the data and converting into uppercase. Why we are converting into uppercase now? In our logic, the comparison is in the form of uppercase. So we are converting. Okay, right. Once the branch came now, we have to check that the student branch is available or not. For that, check branch method is there here. Sorry, class is there. Here you can check it, no? The branch entered in between CSE or EC or EEE, you have to cross check it. So online students, wait for 2 minutes. Right, look here. So I am reading the branch now, converting into uppercase because in check branch class, here comparison is uppercase. Now I must pass that branch as parameter to verify method. So for this, I am creating object for check branch CB is equal to new check branch, create an object. Now this check branch method, check branch class is having one method verify. What is the return type of this method now? Boolean. So this method will say true or false. If branch is available, true. If branch not available, false. For that, we are writing Boolean. So Boolean k is equal to BC dot CB, check branch no, CB dot verify of PR. Now k will get true or false. If k is equal to true, branch is available. If not, branch is not available. You can put a message in the else block. System dot out dot print ln invalid branch. So roll number validated, branch validated. Now the roll number should be matched with the branch. The branch and roll number should be matched. Means every branch will have their own roll number. Means codes will be there, branch codes. For that, validate the branch. For validating the branch now, we are creating object for validate roll number here. This is validate roll number here. That branch code is validated with the branch. Anyway, for this, I am taking the logic from existing here. Where is that? P2. This is main class. In this main class, validate is there. This is the validate is there or not? Now this is substring. These two lines. So validate roll number, verify roll number dot substring. This is the branch code, no? Right. Branch code we are passing with branch. Z will get it true or false. If Z is equal to true, branch is available. End of if. Else, roll number not matched with branch. So system dot out dot println your roll number not matched. Roll number not matched with branch. Not matched with branch. This is a message. So roll number matched with branch means roll number came, name came, branch came. Roll number matched with branch. Now read your 6 subject marks. You have to read it. You have to read what now? 6 subject marks. You have to read it. From here the logic up to while loop. Read 6 subject marks. Read 6 subject marks here. So enter 6 subject marks. Enter 6 subject marks. Here. Now I am reading 6 subject marks here. I am validating the marks also. After that 6 subject marks came here. After 6 subject marks came here, you have to go with calculation. Calculate. So for that, calculate sum. C is equal to
50.
create object for calculate. Calculate sum OB. What is the spelling of calculate? Calculate sum OB is equal to new calculate. Call that method OB dot calculate of. OB dot calculate of total marks with P. The calculation is ended. Now the calculation came means total salary came anyway. First let me display here like this. Ah, display already there now here. Already calculation ended, no? Just a display. This is the program. The same program I converted here. Core Java program. Right. I am not using any database. Just Core Java program answer should come first here. Core Java program without database. Enter the student roll number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. 10 digits, no? Right. Enter the student name, Raj. Enter the branch, CSE. Roll number not matched with the branch. Because your branch code is not there. Your branch code is 78. CSE branch code is 05, no? Right. So roll number not matched with the branch code. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. I entered 04. 04 means EC, you know. So I am entering EC. EC I am entering. Correct. You entered EC, no, because this branch code is EC. You entered EC. Okay. It is matched. Enter the 6 subject marks. 90. 90. You know, if I entered 190, 190 marks are valida, invalida? Invalid. So invalid marks, again enter the subject 3. Okay, right. Now here, some 90 and 89 and 67, 89. So name Raj, branch EC, roll number, total marks, percentage, and the result is distinction. Now answer is coming now, right? This answer you have to keep in the database. That only matters. This one you must load into database. That is our target. Can I load it to database now? Right. This answer should come. This whatever the output is coming here, that only Core Java. Whatever you feel it, you can type it. Already one code is there with me. I converted into here. Whatever the idea you had, you can convert it. So at last answer is coming, sir. This answer should go on to the database product. That's the target. Now I'll move this answer into database product table. That one target. So for this, I asked you to create one table known as a student 41. Create one table known as a student 41. Create table. Table name is student 41. What is the first number now? Roll number. Roll number will be 10 digits only, but safe side I am taking varchar, no? Varchar 2 of 15 I am taking. Student name. Student name. Varchar 2 of 15. Branch. 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 Varchar 2 of 10 enough actually. Next total marks. Total marks. This is number. Total marks will be the number of 10. 10 enough, no? Total marks. 600 only, no? It comes up to 600. Now percentage number. Number some 10 comma 2. Some 10 comma 2. And the result varchar 2 of 15 I am taking. So primary key of roll number. This is the table. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Roll number, student name, branch, total marks, percentage, result. Table created. So commit. Student 41. This is the table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First roll number. roll number, name, branch, total marks, percentage, result. Okay. Now you have to insert the data. Already output is coming here. Already output is coming. Here, OB dot get details, don't display. OB dot get details, don't display. Go for calculate method. In the calculate method, get details not needed, don't display. Percentage and percentage, total marks and the result. So they are available here, no? Yes or no? They are all instance variables, no? Yes or no? Instance variables will get the memory within the class or within the object? Within the object. You have to access with class name or object name? You can access with object name directly, no? Right, okay. Now go for main class. Don't display here anything. Don't display here. Don't display. Now connect the database. Here you have to load the driver, create the connection, prepare statement and insert it. Okay, right. Now go with 2. Loading driver and creating connection. Loading driver and creating connection. After that, prepared statement here. Prepared statement PS is equal to con dot prepared statement. Here insert into student 41. How many values now? 6 values. Yes or no? Insert into, correct only? Insert into student 41 values. How many values now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parameter indexes now? 6 parameter indexes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now first one is roll number, means varchar set string. So PS dot set string of parameter index 1. This is roll number. Yes or no? PS dot set string of parameter index 1. This is student name. PS dot set string of parameter index 3. This is branch. Yes or no? Right. So this is branch. Next one is what now? Total marks. Now the total marks available in the calculate. Right. How to access from calculate? So PS dot set int total marks. Index 4 now. How to access total marks now? Calculate object name. OP dot total marks. Yes or no? That only code no? Right. Access. Now PS dot set float. Parameter index 5 now. Access the percentage now. OB dot percentage. Access the percentage. Because OB is the object belongs to calculate. Got it right? Now. Actually total marks are here only, no? Then why I am calculating here? Total marks. 1 minute. Remove this total marks. Here total marks not needed. Here no need of OB because total marks I am calculating here only, no? In the main method only I am calculating total marks now here. Okay. Okay. Right. Percentage. PS dot set. What is the last one now? Set string parameter index 3. This is OB dot result. All have understood this, right? Now here, int k is equal to ps dot execute updated. K already there. Duplicate local variable k. Somewhere I used k. I'll go with some, not p, some g I will go. Roughly some variable. If g greater than 0, now system dot out dot println student details inserted successfully. Inserted successfully. So at last you can say con dot close. Understood this point now? Can I run the program? Right. See there, I am running the program. Enter the roll number now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. If I entered wrongly, it will not allow. Okay, right. I am entering 05. 05 is the branch code of CSE. Okay, right. Name is Raj. Branch is CSE. And the subject marks 90, 90, 89, 78, 87, 86. Sorry, 96. Student details inserted successfully. Okay, right. Let me go and check here. Select star from student 41. So roll number, name, CSE, total marks 90 and distinction. Can you see here? Right. So this is the result. Suppose I'll run once again now. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. I don't know the roll numbers, no. I'm entering roughly 04. 04 means EC. Student name some Alex. Branch EC. Now subject marks 98, 99, 97, 96, 99. Last marks 9. If last marks 9 means he comes under what category now? Fail. Student details updated successfully here. Now Alex should be failed. See there. Can you see fail? His result is fail. Even he had a total marks 498, percentage 83. He got fail now. Understood this point now? All of you got it? So just the output what you are seeing in the core Java, you are inserting into one database table. That only concept. That only I asked you to do the assignment. So who has been tried this assignment? You take the support of this program. This program has some subclass and main class concept like core Java. So for core Java concept I took it, right? So this core Java concept I updated in your database tables. Here dbcon 8.java output. Here not dbcon 8 and here how many programs I must update here now? One program is check branch.java, validate roll number.java. One is calculate.java. These three subclasses taken from your core Java logic, and this is the main class. I'll explain this program not now. I'll dump the code. First you type it and come. And after coming from holidays, I'll explain this for 20-25 minutes. I'll take a time to explain this code once again. Who understood in core Java, they will do it anyway. The logic is available with you. Who are not, other students who not completed, I'll explain that to you. So this is the assignment solution. Same thing, no? Roll number, name, branch, 6 subject marks. I'm calculating the total marks, percentage, result. I'm reading the data and updating in the database table. It's a concept. Same program I'll type in the advanced Java, servlet programming. Their HTML form will be there. Their updation we are going to do with HTML form input. We are going to design one form with your knowledge gaining from HTML, CSS, JavaScript. One good form will be designed. So using that form, we are going to insert the data to your servlet program with JDBC, insert into database table. Whenever you want to see the records, we enter that roll number. Based on the roll number, data will be displayed on your web browser in the form of HTML form. That is one small application we do there. For that, core Java program converted into JDBC level. So some people followed, some people not followed. I know. I'll explain this program separately to you. Got it right? So first type the program and come. Moreover, roll numbers also. This roll number, I written this program based on your JNT University roll number. JNT University BTech roll number I written. If you are having your own universities, you can put your own universities codes and own university branches, you can take it. Okay, right? Now. Now the last query is there, that is delete. Right. Can I write the delete later? Right. I'll stop the class. Okay. I'll upload these 2 programs, run and come. We are having a long break again. We are meeting on Monday. Right. Monday, that is on 17th, I think. Right. Again, the class is on Monday for you. So 17/1/2022, the class is on Monday. So anyway on Monday I must go with repetition. No other choice to me. I must go with repetition. After repeating all this program, what I given